In this video, I will show you two different ways how to reset your portable Wi-Fi router. So the first way is we can simply go to the web portal of it and reset it there. So simply enter either of these addresses in your address bar when you are basically connected to this router. So enter it, for example, in the address bar, the IP address. The username and password by default is admin and admin. I'll also show you at the end of the video what to do if this doesn't work. So you see in the advanced over here, so device operation, here you see you have the factory reset option here. If you click the factory reset over here, it will reset all the settings, all the Wi-Fi names, passwords, whatever, basically the default settings. Then also what you can do is the other way, you can simply take maybe like a sewing needle or a pin, and you see you have a reset hole here in this router. So if you take this pin, insert inside, and you should feel a click. So as you see, yeah, basically it like resets itself and also clears all the settings, and it will return to the factory settings as well. So, and then once that is cleared, so basically in these devices inside you have the details that you need to use to connect to them. So you see you have your IP address, username, password. So again, default admin. Once it's reset, your Wi-Fi key as well will get reset to the default one listed on this sticker here. Okay, good luck.